welcome back to Kirk Kooks and welcome back to Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Pizza Wednesday. This week we are just cooking an anchovy pizza, no horrible toppings with it today, just anchovies. So actually the first time I've tried anchovies on a pizza on their own. So maybe I'll actually like them this time, or maybe I still won't like them. I'm not a big fan of fish on pizza, so I don't see it being great. This pizza is from season 2, episode 2. The Incredible Shrinking Turtles. Now when this pizza appears in the show, it doesn't actually appear as a pizza. The turtles have been shrunken, they're in some water and there's a big fish about to eat them. When the fish is getting close to eating them, Michelangelo, trying to bargain with the fish, sort of promises to never eat anchovy pizza again. So that's how anchovy pizza came about for the show, for this show. So yeah, anchovy pizza. I suppose we should get it made. Okay, so once that pizza base is stretched out, we want to stick some pizza sauce all over this thing. Get it all smothered in pizza sauce. Then we want to give it a nice sprinkling of mozzarella. Then we're going to open a nice tasty can of anchovy fillets. And then we'll spread those anchovy fillets all over the pizza, get them everywhere. Looks like the dogs have took an interest in these anchovies. The dogs obviously like the taste of anchovies and the smell. So then once we've got these anchovies spread out all over, we'll keep a couple aside to feed them to the dogs. We'll give this a little light sprinkling of mozzarella. And then that's it ready. We'll take it outside, get it cooked on the Alti wood burning pizza oven. So this is the Alti pizza oven. We've not used this many times before in the Turtles videos. We've not had much of a chance because of the weather, but we're out here today and look at the flames in this lot. It's going to be really good cooking with this. This is our anchovy pizza. Just anchovies this time, no crap with it, so maybe I'll actually like anchovies for once, but I doubt it. That is our just anchovy pizza finished. It smells like crap. It's still not going to be nice even without all the horrible toppings with the anchovies. It's still going to be horrible. Let's get it in. So this is the anchovy pizza. Just anchovies. I mean, I've not liked... Ranger! Come on, mate.
Well, the dog likes it.
The dog likes the smell of anchovies.
Dog wants to be a star of the show. Don't you, Range? Hey?
There's a very good chance the dogs might actually get fed quite a bit of this one anyway, so...
Yeah, I think Carl's going to eat all this.
We don't waste food in this house.
No, the bald guy that eats out will eat out.
I eat out me.
He'd like some gherkins on it,
Oh, if it's got no gherkins.
I'm taking this one.
Oh, I'm taking this one.
I've got 2. Oh, Carl's got 3 anchovies. I've only got 2.
Oh, just eat it. Go for
Well,
it.
I've not liked anchovies once yet.
Disgusting.
Oh, it just smells so fishy.
Oh, that's really salty. It's alright, but it's really salty.
That's delicious.
No thanks.
See, I don't think that's that bad.
I don't think it's that bad, but it's dead
I don't
salty.
mind anchovies on their own. I mean, I wouldn't choose it.
Yeah.
But I'm not spitting that out and I can eat it, but it's so incredibly salty. I'd never choose anchovies on my own.
I've got the tiniest little bit on the end there and it's too much.
It's so salty, isn't it? It's so strong.
Do you know what it needs?
I mean, don't get me wrong, I've got no interest in eating the rest of it, but it's not as bad as anchovies when I've had them before with other horrific stuff.
Yeah, the one thing that needs, I think, is some bubble gum.
Some bubble gum.
Some gherkins.
Is that what it's missing?
Yeah.
Some bubble gum and gherkins.
It's missing some bubble gum, that.
Oh, Loki wants it a lot. I'll tell you what, you can't go wrong with anchovies.
You can, Carl.
Here, look, boys.
This is why I want
I sometimes get comments on Reddit and that saying I waste food. Look, we don't waste food.
This is why I wanted more people in. Some people like anchovies.
I'm with
I think
you.
anchovies are eggs.
I'm with you, that is edible.
Yeah, you've always said you like seafood on pizzas, haven't you?
Mm-hmm.
One of the pizzas I'm going to do soon as a regular video is a prawn cocktail pizza. I'm not sure what that would be like.
There you go, I'm in.
With
prawn
lettuce.
cocktail sauce and everything.
Yeah.
I think that would be alright.
Oh, that'd be alright, that.
At Christmas.
So, no one likes it except for Carl.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not as bad as the anchovy ones I've had in the past, but I'm still not an anchovy on pizza fan. Whereas Carl's ate his full quarter of a pizza.
It's too salty. Too salty.
Yikes! Moby Dick's big brother.
I promise, dude. I'll never eat another anchovy pizza again.
I got news for you. You may never eat another pizza, period.
Slice there, enjoy.
Wait, hell, Carl. Do you know what I mean?
I'm trying
Look.
to get that bit of anchovy off there, look.
Jeez.
Really? How's that?
Look at Carl, look. He's a beast, look. He's picking all the
I'll tell you
anchovies
what,
off
he's
the
up-
leftover slices, look.
He's after my fan base.
But
you
yeah,
know?
hang on.
Oh, that one on the end now eats everything.
What happens to JC? It's everything. You've not even touched it.
Yeah, come on. I thought you eat everything.
You eat everything. I don't know. He's had my fingers on
Not
it.
now Carl's finger's been on it, but
All right.
yeah.
That's all it takes.
That
Yeah,
is,
so-
Carl's finger.
So anchovy pizza,
Both man eats out except Cat's finger.
Carl likes it. We don't. That's anchovy pizza. It's a bit of a boring one, isn't it, really? No anchovies and banana and stuff there, so it's not quite as interesting.
It's
But
like a bump.
Banana might have fixed it.
it wouldn't
Yeah.
have. We had. Oh no, you did.
I like the banana.
Well, actually, for the cookbook, I need to redo anchovy and banana, so you can try that one.
Oh, cool.
I ain't got a good photo of anchovy and banana, so I've got to redo it. So you can. I'll do that, and you guys can try
Yeah,
that.
looking
when we
forward to
do
that
the
one.
special.
Which is the one you
Awesome.
were sick? Which is the one you were sick with anchovy?
And anchovy and banana was one that I came really close to being sick with.
Oh, yeah, we'll have a bit of that.
It was the herring. No, it was the peanut butter and clams that actually made me sick. That's the only time I've actually proper puked.
That one sounds good as
But
well.
anchovies and bananas was probably the second worst one I've had. So, yeah, no one likes it except for Carl. And we will catch you next week. It is once again Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Pizza Wednesday.
Jelly bean and sausage pizzas.
Strawberry surprise pizza with anchovy sauce. Peanut butter and clams.
Anchovies and bananas.